Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to create new folders in Outlook in 2026. Now folders help you keep your inbox organized and Outlook lets you add them anywhere you want. So without further ado, let's get straight into how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your desktop. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Once you are inside, simply look at the left hand side of the screen where your navigation pane is located. This is basically the section where you are going to see all of your already created folders, like we have inbox, draft, archive, etc. So here, to create the main folder, you need to hover your mouse over your account name or the email address. Right next to it, you will see the three dots. So when you click on it, you are going to see the option of create new folder. So this is exactly what we want. Now when you click on it, it is going to show you this type of section in front of you where you just have to give your folder a name. So here, let's say I want to give my folder this name, which is work projects. So when you hit enter, you will notice that you have successfully created a folder here in Outlook. Now in order to move this particular folder anywhere, you just have to use your mouse and drag and drop it something like this. Now you can click on this particular folder and start doing your work. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.